Alright, we're going to call this Wake Up Call 101. First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Wave Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. I'm going to show you, those of you out there still using white projection screens, or and even like I say, even though we have a light silver screen, it's much better than some of these some silver screens you have out there. And I'm going to show you in this demonstration why you have failed your projector or about to fail your projector if you're thinking about going down this road when you see this demonstration. Now keep in mind, you're probably thinking, you know, it's mainly the projector. Some people say it's mainly the projector. I'm going to tell you it's a lie, and I'll tell you why it's a lie. Because you can have the most high performance 4K 1080p laser ultra short throw projector with tons of lumens and think that that's pretty much going to make up for you going out and getting a white cheap projection screen with poor gain and poor picture quality, that your projector is going to make up all of that. Especially if you think because you calibrate your projector, you really think that's going to make up for your picture quality. No, it's not. If that was the case, then you can just go out and buy white paint, paint your wall and be done with it, calibrate your projector, and voila, perfect picture. Now, I'm going to show you what we have here. We're using our 1080p. And mind, this is a ViewSonic 1080p. It has color expert. I'm sorry, Sonic Expert. Got the wrong one. It has super color. That's a Sonic Expert, but it has super color, and it's a full 1080p projector. All right, about 32. I think it's 3,200 lumens. I'm pretty sure it's 3,200 lumens. Okay, now we are about 9 feet from our screen. Now this screen right here is painted with everyday $23 screen paint. I mean, sorry, household paint. Some people use household paint for their projection screens. I don't know why. This one right here is the invisible, the Eclipse Invisible Black Silver Nano. Now we're going to do this demonstration with the lights off and lights on to show you exactly how much you are losing from your projector's quality. Now keep in mind, if you're using a screen that majority of the demonstrations are done in the dark, that's where you're going to be at, in the dark. The only way that screen will thrive and even look proper is you have to be in a dark environment. Alright, so first things first, let's remove our projector. And like I said, it doesn't make a difference how high the contrast is on your projector and how you calibrate. You're going to get what you're going to get if you use the crappy screen. Alright, so first things first, we'll do this with the lights on. Alright, let me go over here and get my selection adjusted here. I got upside down on my phone. Trying to get the screen to pop over. Alright, there we go, so I can hit my selections easier. Alright. Now this is our technology, lights on. And that's what happens to a white screen. This is why so many times I get people, companies that'll contact me and say, hey look, you know, we got this screen and every time we turn the lights on, anytime the ambient light comes in, the screen washes out. Alright, now we're going to go back. Same demonstration. I'm going to pause it. I'm going to go over here and hit my lights. So make it nice and dark in here. Nice and dark. There we go. Show you exactly how much contrast you're losing from your projector. Alright? So there you go. That's how much contrast you have lost from your projector due to the fact that your screen can't pick it up. Alright, let's start again. It's like the fish fades. Look at it. Now, some people think if you have your lights out, man, you're getting a beautiful, amazing picture. They really think that you're getting it, but you're not getting that. You have cheated your projector. You have cheated your performance. You know, I've seen people with amazing projector. I saw some guy with like a $30,000 4K JVC projector, and he had a white screen. Now this is supposed to be all black. You're not getting that there. So even with your lights out, this is what you're getting. Go out, you spend the money for a very good projector, and you cheat yourself. Oh, I just want to add really quick. One of these demonstrations I saw, I'm not going to mention anybody's name, but claiming that that black screen was a black nano. I think we went over that demonstration was fake, so that's not our technology. So, you know, I don't even know why someone would have posted that to begin with, even started demonstration with that to begin with, but I don't know. But anyway, let's move on. So keep in mind, if you're watching something that requires dark contrast, which everything in gaming requires dark contrast. You're watching any Batman, Star Wars. Star Wars has a lot of, any movies that have really good, deep, dark contrast, which is pretty much mostly all of them, this is what you're getting. So in order for you to get a somewhat decent screen, I'm going to pause it right here, right? Now in order for you to get a somewhat decent screen, that means you would have to be in the dark. You can't have your lights on like this because your screen will wash out on you. Now look at the angle on our screen and the angle on the white screen. You get what you pay for. Now, I'm going to go back here for a minute. I want to show you something. Someone was talking about detail. Do you know you get more detail from contrast than without it? See the difference in the detail? There you go. Now that's why you can't watch your screen with the lights out, with the lights on, because your screen fades. Now we'll take the lights out. This is the only way, excuse me, I don't want to hit anything else. I've got my camera tilted to the side a little bit here. This is the only way you're going to be able to get a decent picture is you have to be in a dark environment. Like I said, there's no point in going out and spending the money for a very good projector if you're just going to cheat yourself. Let me do another demonstration right here. Now look at the color of the grass on this side, the blue sky, compared to here. It's strange because in that demonstration using a fake black nano, it was displayed that the screen was so dirty that you really couldn't make it out. And mind you, this is nano. This is invisible. This is an invisible nano, but it has nanotechnology in it. Now look when the night sky comes on. Look how dark and beautiful, and look how faded it looks on the other end. Now, go back. Show you what happens if you try to do this with your lights on. Now keep in mind, if there was a window sitting next to this screen, how badly this is going to look. You know, when you talk about detail, when you watch an artist paint in something with canvas, he always goes in with black when he does detail, when he wants to add more depth to the artwork. When he wants to add more detail to it, he uses black. He doesn't use white. Okay, if my time runs out here, I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal Edge using Technology Screens. Hope you enjoyed this video demonstration. I'd like to thank you all for watching, just showing you what you are really getting. Like you notice, our technology is producing a high white level and black level at the same time. All your lights out in your dedicated home theater, what are you getting? There you go. You get richer, much better color performance, and you can use it with the lights on. See how bright the whites are? Look at the detail. So we knew the Nano in that demonstration was fake. It's the same demonstration he did with the last demonstration using the fake Nano. Now you see the white levels? Sorry about that. Now I'll pause it right there. See the white levels right there? That is on our screen right there. See those white levels? This is where the pause button hits right here. Watch this. See? We know all those little tricks. We know all those little tricks. When you pause it, the screen is dark right there. That's where the pause button hits. Pause button's automatically black and it has white lines. So that would cause the screen to darken. Watch this. There you go. We know all those little tricks. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal Wave Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. Thank you all for your time. I'll leave it off like this.